Have you ever been to any leadership program or outdoor program? Do you enjoy it, or do you think it is a waste of money? So feel free to share your opinion in the comment section below. If you think it is a waste of money, so this video is special for you. I want to share with you 5 tips on how to make the most out of any leadership program or outdoor program. So stay tuned and enjoy. Tips number 1. Keep an open mind and a positive attitude. Do you think you can contribute to your team as much as possible if you think that you are the one that know everything? I don't think so. So whatever the new things that you learn, try to take your time to digest it and embrace it. You will be shocked by how much your life and behavior will change by simply changing your perspective in facing any issues in your daily life. So tips number 1, attend the program with an open mind and positive attitude. Tips number 2, eliminate all the distractions. Give your 100% focus on the program. Yes, I'm talking to you, please. Do put down your phone and focus on the program. I am serious about this. We are more effective and efficient if we give our 100% and focus on one thing at a time. Put your laptop aside, forget a while about your work, and put down your phone, give your social media some rest, and I believe you will be more effective and enjoy the program. So tips number 2, eliminate all the distractions. Tips number 3, participate as much as possible. Do you know there are a lot of preparations going on behind the scene prior to you attending the program? If you just being passive or just being a passenger, the only person that is losing is you, not the organizer, because the organizer basically they are being paid to organize the program. So you don't want to be on the lose side, right? So tips number 3, give your full participation. Tips number 4, meet new people and increase your networking skills. Every people are different, they are unique. Even if they are a twin, their experience will be different. So the easiest way to meet new people and make new friends is simply by asking them questions about their personal life, about their experience, and for sure they will be more than happy to share with you their experience. And you, on the other side, be a good listener. So tips number 4, meet new people and improve your networking skills. Lastly, tips number 5, enjoy the learning process. No matter how strong or how good you are, throughout the program, the outdoor program or leadership program, you will be experiencing winning or losing. And most importantly is, don't take things too personal. Just enjoy the learning process. Regardless if you are winning or losing, the most important thing is the things that you learn and the experience that you gain. So tips number 5, enjoy the learning process. That's all, 5 tips on how to make the most out of any leadership or outdoor programs. Believe me, if you do all that 5 tips that I share with you, you will never ever think that those programs are wasting your money. If you agree with me, do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.